Okay, ready? Stand where my sister is.
What's Can I give a
hug? So, Jacqui, you want to interview him?
Okay, what should we talk about?
Chocolate frozen yogurt bars.
Talk about that?
Yeah. TV personality.
You can talk about all that stuff. Whatever you like. This went into the Oscar gift bags for the nominees this year for Academy Awards.
Is that you?
That's me. Yep.
Oh.
See?
Are you
do my
doing
hair
like
out
a
this
namaste? Is that a namaste?
It's just definitely a namaste.
Do you know what namaste means?
Of course, I bow to you as you bow to me. Reflection.
That's right. So how much were those guest bags? How much does one
Chocolate frozen yogurt.
$1 million?
I mean, there's like $10,000 dresses like they come along with the gift bag. You know what I mean? There's like so much.
Chocolate frozen
The
yogurt
people
bars.
who actually, the companies who donate the actual products that go in the gift bags pay just a lot of money to get them in there. It's not a cost thing. They give them to the nominees. You know, so it's not like the nominees are paying
I'm
for
so
them.
glad I'm not.
Chocolate frozen yogurt
I'm
bars.
so glad I'm not like one of them. Because then I have money and I wouldn't know what to do.
Dark chocolate.
Oh, really? See, I definitely have learned and am learning even more and more on a bigger level how to manage all of the abundance that's coming at me, so that I can actually do really profound and amazing, heartfelt, humanitarian, philanthropic things with my money. It's not my money. It's just I'm channeling. I'm just flowing.
So ask him about being a chef. Is he a
I just
chef?
won the best gourmet raw chef in the world award. Literally like 2 weeks ago. So that's pretty cool.
How did that happen?
Well, there's this competition. There's this yearly awards called the Best of Raw, bestofraw.net, and a bunch of people, thousands of people from all over the world, nominated a bunch of chefs, a bunch of raw educators, a bunch of different products in the raw world, and then basically voted for them a month later. And I just so happened to be voted as the best gourmet raw chef of 2010. So
How do you make stuff if you can't cook it? You're not allowed to cook it?
I have thousands of recipes, so I just take things and I find inventive and creative ways to create mock versions of cooked recipes. So,
Are we ready? I think we're ready to go now.
No, we're not ready. We have to wait for.
Was that an interview?
Yeah.
I have one more question. At the center of the Garden of Eden, what kind of tree was that? That Adam and Eve were not supposed to eat from.
From what I've found, there's basically people who think that it was persimmon. There's people who believe it was a pear.
I thought it was a quince.
There's people who believe it was a quince, apple. But my belief is that it was either a durian or a mangosteen.
I think it was a fig. It was a fig.
That's another one too.
Because they put fig leaves on their, that's why.
Can you say that again?
I think the tree was a fig because they covered themselves up.
You don't even want to.
Figs.
You don't even want to see my tattoos. You'd have to cover up parts of my tattoos with figs.
Wow, do you have like
All erotic art.
Oh, wow.
Wow.